What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you again for tuning in. Welcome to another mod. We are back at it with the F80 M3 today, and we are going to do the keyhole cap, keyhole cover mod, if you will. It is a OEM part. I purchased it from IND because they do awesome color matching. It's the same company I went with for the front fender, the orange reflector delete, so it's just going to clean up the exterior of the car. Once you see the keyhole, like when I ordered the part, it's like I kept looking at that keyhole being like, oh, why is it there? It's not on any other door. So we're gonna get to it. It takes like 2 tools and it's very quick. So I'll show you how easy it is. Let's go. This is pretty much it, guys. Just grab your favorite Allen key set, trim removal tools. This is the OEM part I was talking to you about, color painted match by IND. My car is mineral white. If you want to be on the safe side, maybe some painter's tape, just on the air of caution. But that's it. If you need any of these trim removal tools or anything like that, I'll leave a link in the description below. I use them all the time for so many different mods. Don't risk scratching your car. So this is it. Let's get to it. All right, guys, getting right into it. In order to take this cap off, you open up your door, and when you do, you will see a black rubber grommet. It's just a compression type fitting. Take your trim removal tool, and you'll just kind of get under there. If you have fingernails, you can probably do it without it, and just pull back, and that will give you access to the Allen bolt that we have to loosen. All right, here's a better close-up view of the bolt that we're going to loosen. So just take your favorite Allen key set here. I can also leave a link in the description below if you need something similar to this, what I'm using. And we're just going to simply loosen it. All right. All right, as you can see, I just placed 2 pieces of painter's tape here real quick, just to err on the side of caution in case my trim removal tool slips or something like that. But you're gonna take your trim removal tool with that bolt loosened already, kind of wedge it in there, work your way around on the top. And the reason why I say the top is here it comes. I can show you. Your puddle light will remain there. So that's why you kind of work on the top there. But this whole thing is gonna come out, and now we can put this nasty thing aside here. All right, just want to do a very quick comparison. So here's the old one with the entire locking mechanism, quite heavy actually. And now here is the painted OEM cap, and we're just going to insert that and tighten down that bolt. All right, I can take this off. And as you can see, there is the other end of the bolt that we were loosening when the door was open. The puddle light, obviously that is just gonna slide right in. Push that there like that. Beautiful. All right. Let's get her open and tighten her down. And what I'm doing is I'm also just kind of putting a little bit of pressure just so it doesn't kind of like push out. I'm just making sure it's gonna have a nice seal as I tighten it with this hand, a couple fingers on the cap. And just so it's nice and snug. Perfect. And last but not least, just take that little black rubber grommet, it's compression fitting, you just pop it in and you're done. There it is, looking nice and clean. If you made it this far, thank you. And I have one other thing I didn't talk about in the beginning of the video, and we're actually doing 2 mods in this video. So I was thinking when I was at IND's website and I was selecting the little drop down box of what my color code was, what the paint color was for this, I was like, well, since they already have mineral white out, right? Why not getting something else that is mineral white? And let's go inside the vehicle, show you what we're gonna do for the bonus mod. All right, in case you don't know what we're looking at, we are going to be replacing this hood latch release, this little chintzy plastic one. And that couldn't come off any simpler than with just a Phillips screwdriver. So we're just gonna simply take this screw out, and then check this out. This is the Carbonex aluminum hood release, and this as well is painted mineral white by IND. It says caution, mounting point has sharp edges. All right, so we're just gonna take this, put that right over there, like so. Hold that, grab your original screw, and bolt her down. That looks slick. Hood opens no problem, and here's one other Carbonex piece I just got is the charge cooler cover. That looks beautiful, carbon fiber, matches perfect with the OEM strut brace. Just I like that little upgrade too. There we go, guys. We are looking good on the outside and on the inside. That was a cool little bonus mod. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed today's video, you found it useful, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions about the mods, leave a comment, and if you haven't done already, please subscribe. Catch you guys next time. Out.